In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Alan Wake 2 on your PC or laptop. Firstly, go to Google in your browser. Search for Epic Games and click on first link. Now click on Download button on top right. Downloading might take a while. When downloading is completed, click on Installer and proceed with installation process. When installed, you can sign in many ways. Now click on search bar and search for Alan Wake 2. In drop-down menu, click on Alan Wake 2. Now scroll down until you see Get button if game is free or Buy now if it's not. Click on the button and new pop-up will be presented to you. In this pop-up, select payment method and press place order. Agree with refund rules. Now you will be presented with thank you pop-up. This means you have game in your library now. Now you can continue shopping or see you game in library. In library, I will show you downloading and installing with game I own. First, click on the game and complete installation process. Downloading and installing will take a while. After installation is completed, you can open game from your Epic Games library or from your desktop. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.